How to create a QR code for PDF file or document. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open any web browser. So here I have opened my Google web browser. So in my desktop, you can see there is a PDF file named as pdf.pdf. So let me just type down in the Google search address bar PDF to QR code converter. Then simply hit enter. There you can see PDF QR code converter for free option available. Simply tap on it and navigate to its website. Then once you are in their website, make sure that you are signed in using your Google account. Once you are signed in, then only you can change your PDF to the QR code. There you can see PDF option available. Simply tap on it. Now tap on the upload file option available there. Now from your desktop, tap on the PDF you want to convert. Then tap on the open option available there. Now name your QR code whatever you want to. I'm just typing down PDF QR code. Then tap on the convert. There you can see various template option available. You can choose any according to your preferences. So I like the first one. So let me just tap on the first one option available there. Then tap on the download QR code. Once downloaded, you will get to see this in your desktop. Now, once you scan this QR code, let me just use my phone. So in my phone, let me just open the camera app, or you can tap on the QR code scanner and scan it from there as well. From camera, tap on the website that shows the QR code and navigate to it. And here you will find your PDF file. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.